Pre, nakapag-save na tayo.
Give me the vaccine, you greedy
Thank
son.
you sa paalala.
You print money. I like money.
You like
You should
money?
make us an ongoing arrangement.
Kahit sino
Now
naman eh.
drop the gun.
Huwag ganyang ka-greedy. No? Ayun na, sobrang laki na ni Nemesis, oh. Dapat talaga sa mga ganyan, durug na durug para hindi na nabubuhay.
Have you ever seen anything so incredible? The data on this would be worth millions. But, you know how it is. City's about to explode, and you can't put a price on life.
Tawa pa
Good
siya, no?
luck.
Nikolai!
Joe,
Go after Nikolai. He's got the vaccine.
what about you?
We're running out of time. I've got this.
I know you do.
Look, just so you know, this is the last fucking time.
Let's go, let's go! Okay, ito yung baril na malakas eh. Ay, Dagsti! Sorry. Narangan niya. Laila talaga. Laila yarn. Plasma cannon, di ba yun yung SS niya?
Cooldown in progress. Please reactivate power sources.
Sa dip-dip mamaya babarilin yung si Nikolai. Oo, mamaya may ano rin, may araw din sa atin yung si Nikolai mamaya sa atin. Ngayong araw na rin pala yun. Okay, kailangan natin siyang tanggal yung mga mata niya. Ay, mga ano pala. Ay, meron pala tayong ano.
Felt that, did you? How about some more?
Okay, good. Tara. Ay, wala nang bala. Oh, Lord. Wait. Okay naman. Sapa. Higa ka lang dyan, ha. Higa ka lang. Mamaya ka na tumayo.
One power source remaining.
Yan na lang isa. Kasi tatayo na to eh. Guys, shoutout sa inyong lahat. Thank you
I'm
sa
gonna put you
pag-visit.
right back on your ass.
Sa mga hindi pa nakapollow, please follow our stream. Thank you sa suporta. Okay. Hello. Ay, Gagsti. Bakit doon tayo pumunta? Danger agad yun. Okay, tara guys. Buksak na yan. Plasma cannon ulit natin siya. Magiging Laila ulit tayo.
All power
Naging
sources
ML bigla, no?
activated. Powering
You think I
up.
don't know how to fuck you up?
Tapos ka na, boy. Paano mo sa sa bunganga niya? Ano mo?
Come on!
Ka na.
Next time, take the fucking hit!
Guys, papaalala lang, no? It's just game only. Everything is fake. Like blood,
Good riddance.
fake guns, fake